like a gun. Yo, it started in 1901, 125 years still made like a gun. First motor bicycle hit the street, Royal Enfield can't accept defeat.
World at war, still breaking ground. First landing cap on the field of town. No frame opponents on wheels, setting new records, breaking old seals.
World War II, time to fly. Parachute fleet jumping from the sky. Bikes in the front, troops behind. Rolling with thunder, fearless mind. One upon a 32 shock and all. 48 loop palms standing tall. Johnny Britain, Scottish trials. Winning the roughest, breaking miles.
55 we make India proud. Bullet buried dogs are in the ground. On-screen soldiers, cops in line. Royal Enfield forever shine.
Swinging sixties, let it loose. Interceptor, GT, juicy juice. 70s export, bullets in the breeze. Riding to Europe, bringing them to the knees. 90s rise, Iker in the frame. Himalayan Odyssey, changing the game. Free riders chasing, Himalayan gold. Royal and untamed, stories retold. New millennium, we bring it back. UCN is silent on the track. Testing returns, featuring grit. Himalayan 411, living an adventure trip. Flying free electric, dropping from above. Celebrating legacy, power and love. Victor is moving, the tribe is bright. A million bikes ready to ignite. 2017, twins unleashed, interceptor and GT.
Global flip started in 1901.